Today we have a 2013 Doosan Puma 400B. Machine has a Doosan FANUC I-Series control, 15-inch chuck, tailstock, and chip conveyor. We're going to run the machine. (250 RPM), 500, 750. That's 1,000 RPM. $1,400. We're going to low range. $250 in low. That is 400 in low range. Now we index the turret. It's a 12-position turret. Z-axis. Now X. Tailstock quill. It's a tow along tailstock. Now the tool setter. All right. This machine has 695 cut hours. You can inspect this machine under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.